Today is pretty much a self-care day. I'm gonna take you guys with me to the gym. I gotta do my hair. It's pretty much a self-care day because I have to do my hair. I'm gonna clean up my kitchen a little bit because it's looking a little messy, and I'm gonna make my protein shake. That's gonna pretty much be my breakfast because I don't really like eating before I go to the gym and like working out with a bunch of stuff in my stomach. And I'm gonna take my multivitamin actually. With that being said, I want to thank Ritual for sponsoring this video. They have these super cute multivitamins that I've been taking. I like how aesthetically pleasing they are. Like, they look so cool. And they have a minty flavor, so it feels like very cool going down. And I like the shells of these also swallow very easily. So these contain 9 high quality nutrients from D3 to omega-3 that are difficult to get every day, even with a healthy diet. They're vegan friendly, non-GMO, gluten-free, allergen-free, and they contain no added sugars, and they come in different forms. So they have a men's vitamin, they have a kids, a teen, prenatal. They have a wide variety. So for me, I have the essential for women 18 and up, and I'm really enjoying that. Ritual is also offering all of you guys a 20% off discount if you use my code _ALI20 for your first month of using Ritual. So go to the description below, and I have a link especially for you guys, and use my code _ALI20 when you go to checkout. And the brand is just very transparent with not only how they create the product, but also like the packaging of it. If you want to know more information, you can definitely find it all. They have it laid out for you on their website. So thank you again to Ritual for sponsoring this video. I hope you guys enjoy these as much as I do. I'm going to make my protein shake now. I use almond milk, blueberries, avocado, put some flax seeds, and I put my collagen powder in it. I mix them all together. Oh, duh. And I've also been taking the Ritual pea protein. This is my after gym shake. You could do it in a shake, but I like making it into like a smoothie kind of consistency. My mom's also here. She just got here, so I'm making her one too. And my kitchen is kind of a mess, but that's a part of self-care day. I need to do some cleaning, not only on my body but also in my physical space. So this is my breakfast, pretty much. I have to.
There's my breakfast.
Okay, it is 3 o'clock already. Where has the time gone? I have not had a haircut in months. My mom does it because she actually understands how to cut it. I just wanted some layers because my hair was like all one length, and it was very boxy and it didn't look good, and I feel like this is way better. I feel like it kind of elongates my hair too, and now I'm actually gonna go through the process of like my hair care. I have this plate right here, and I have a bunch of oils. So it's an oil mask. I like to mix jojoba oil. This is my carrier oil, and sometimes I'll put some rosehip oil. These are they're a lot more liquidy, so they're gonna help kind of dilute the castor oil, because the castor oil is very thick, but this is an oil that's really gonna help my hair grow. So I like to put equal parts of this and this, or equal parts of this with these two combined, you know, ratio 1:1. And then I add a couple drops of rosemary essential oil. I add like 4 drops of this. It's very strong, so you don't need a lot, but I like a lot. I do this once a week. Every time before I wash my hair, I only wash my hair once a week. Like so. And then right in that open spot where you can actually feel your scalp, that's where I place the oil. Now that it's all like in my scalp, I do the inversion method. So that's where you like turn your head upside down. You can lean on a bed and hang your head over. I just like stand up and hang my head down, and I massage it for 4 minutes. Now I take the rest of the oil and I put it through the shafts of my hair and really focus on getting it on the ends. I will also link the products, like the oils and stuff, in the description. Basically clips up. I just put on this shower cap. I'm gonna turn on the heat in here and I'm gonna clean my room because y'all are not witnessing what's going on in the background over here, but it's not cute. Drink some water right now. Wanna do what you wanna, live how you wanna, clean the dishes how you wanna. That's what I need to be singing. Okay, we're gonna do that. We're gonna clean the dishes, clean the kitchen up a little bit. Thumbnail? Me and Dylan are going to a show in Norfolk, and at this rate we're going to be late because I haven't even washed my hair yet. Okay, so it's been a couple hours at least. I'm not going to take you in the shower with me. This is a shampoo and conditioner I've been using. Very basic, you know. I was in such a rush that I poked my eye with my mascara. I haven't even done my hair. I brought the battery to my camera, but I didn't bring the camera, so luckily I have this camcorder. Vibe switch real quick.
For the better.
Yeah. Here's Dylan.
Not too bad. I'm present. I'm ready for some jazz. What is the udon noodle dish?
Yeah.
It's a soup?
It's a soup. Oh, they have hibachi chicken though. So after the show, we were starving. So we walked around and we found this sushi place and we're getting all you can eat. I put in like 5 things.
Maybe I will.
We crushed these plates. They're done. I'm ready for next round. Who's gonna fight for this one? Okay.
Oof. Just got kicked out. Well, that was the second worst sushi place I've ever been.
Yeah, this place sucked. I give it like a 2.5 out of 10. Literally. Out of 10 or out of 5? Out of 5. Out of 5. Okay. If there was a star next to it, then that meant it was raw. So I ordered literally everything that wasn't raw because I don't like raw. But then they all came out as being raw anyways because the entire menu was not correctly made. So I had to send back like so much of it. I had like 3 sushi options. I got like one of them twice, and the volcano roll, like how could you fuck up the volcano roll? It was like, it looked fried, but you bite into it and it was just so soft.
It was like a shake and bake volcano roll, but not as crispy.
A shake and bake volcano roll.
Yeah.
Look, I've been seeing. What a long day it's been. I'm so ready to just wash my face and pass out. First things first, I do the double cleansing method. So this thing, always. I definitely plan on going into the whole journey with tretinoin. I've been on it for over a year. I plan on going over that and making a full video showing you like all the pictures that I have and just my personal experience. But that's gonna be like after I feel like I've gone to a place where my skin is practically clear. And I'm so close. I'm so close. Step 2, I use the 𝓢𝓸𝓬𝓲𝓪𝓵𝓼 purifying foaming cleanser. Moisturizer. Ta-da! Bun. I'm making a pizza paella. I wait like 15 to 30 minutes and then I put tretinoin. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it wasn't much of a self-care type of thing. Like I wanted to do my nails. I wanted to clean my makeup brushes. I wanted to kind of pamper myself in other ways, but today just got like a little chaotic. I genuinely love Ritual's vitamins and protein, guys. Do not forget to check the link out in the description box for 20% off your first month. And thank you again to Ritual for sponsoring this video. Thank you for coming along with me, and I hope to see you guys soon. I will see you soon. See you like next week. Bye.